Ka Sorkar jala kala aga Mynjur ban thungkam pura ki palat ars pa propulai ngut ki special educators ni kinong ai jihikai bakerpang ha ka jala. Ya kani ka rai la shim ha ka jingalang ka kinhun menteri kabala penyai da menteri rangba ka jala ukon rat ki sangma ha ka arp kandai terik risau. Habakran syakilat patai kubor hadin ka jingalang Menteri Sorkar bat no aiktin ke Sorkar MDA uba wailat miki Syllad ula ong. Kakinhun menteri kala ai ke Mynjur ban thungkam purai ki special educators bat kiriu syempang ki bakum kini kumbala batha ha ka hukum joka yengka syari Supreme Court. Menteri upentip ru bakumba kalau menta ki dan arspa propulai ngot ki special educator ki batre kum ki kontrak bat kani ka Mynjur ja kakinhun menteri kala plilenti nakabenta benthung kampura no eki.
No, this is actually, we are just actually the order from the Honorable Supreme Court, because there was a case, it seems that because we need to have a special educator. So for that we are just, because right now we have 283 numbers of posts. So in this post they are working as this contractual, and there are also to be recruited. So we are just regularizing to we approve from the cabinet for regularization of this post.